is up, everyone? It's another video. Today, guys, I am gonna be asking you guys some questions, and what should I do? So let's get into this. First thing is, I took apart my whole scooter, and we might be hydro dipping it. So get ready for that post. We might be doing it. We probably are. As you guys can see, I took apart everything of my Fusion X3, and then we also spray painted my brother's scooter. Kind of crappy though, but we are going to be hydro dipping this, and we might also hydro dip my helmet with my GoPro stand. Yeah, pretty dope. So we might be hydro dipping that too. And then, so be ready for this post, guys. And comment down below if I should hydro dip my scooter. And for more videos for scooters, comment down below and hit that subscribe button.